In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find influencers to explode your Shopify store. The goal is simple. You will connect with the right creators, invite them to promote your products, and then set up an affiliate offer so you can track results and reward performance. First, click Apps. This is where Shopify keeps the tools and add-ons that expand what your store can do. You may notice a list of categories or a search area, depending on your dashboard layout. Take your time here, because you want to be in the right place before installing anything. Once you are on the Apps page, you will be ready to find a specific marketing tool that helps with influencer partnerships. Next, search for Shopify collabs. This step matters because it helps you locate the official platform built to match brands with creators. Use the search field to type those words, then look at the results that appear. When you find Shopify collabs, you will see an option that leads you to installation. You can think of this as choosing the hub that brings the influencer discovery and outreach experience together. Then click Install. At this point, Shopify will prompt you to add the app to your store. Installing is what actually connects the app to your Shopify admin, so the next actions can be completed. After you click Install, you will likely be asked to confirm. This is normal, and it helps ensure you are authorizing the correct integration. Now click Install again. This second confirmation step can feel redundant, but it is important. Shopify is double-checking your permission before finishing the setup. When you click it, watch for a loading screen or a progress indicator. That tells you the app is being connected and prepared for use. After that, finish the setup. The setup process may include prompts to confirm settings or complete a few required fields. The exact screens can vary, but the key idea is that you are preparing your account inside Shopify collabs so you can start finding and inviting creators. Pay attention to anything that looks like permissions, store details, or preferences, because these choices can affect how outreach and collaboration requests work. With the app installed and your setup complete, the next part is finding influencers who match your products. Go into the influencer discovery area inside Shopify collabs. Look for creators whose content aligns with what you sell. This is not only about follower count, you also want the creator's audience to fit your target customers, and you want their content style to match your brand. Take a moment to review the creator profiles and make sure they are relevant to your niche. Once you identify the right influencers, invite them to promote your products. This is where you move from discovery to action. Invitation messages should be thoughtful and aligned with what the creator does. In the Shopify collabs workflow, you will typically have an option to send an invite or request collaboration. Make sure you are selecting the proper products or campaigns if the interface gives you that choice, because it helps the creator understand what you want to promote. Finally, create an affiliate offer. This is the part that makes the collaboration trackable and rewarding. An affiliate offer defines how creators earn commissions when they drive sales. When you create it, you will be setting the incentive that encourages creators to actively promote your products. Look for controls that let you specify the commission structure and any conditions related to tracking or payouts. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.